Hello, hi everyone. So good afternoon. So today this time right now I am in Kashmir, just in front of the Lal Chowk. So we can see the view of the Lal Chowk. Just I am here in front of the Lal Chowk. So let's explore together with me the area which is located nearby the Lal Chowk. So really I'm also feeling so good here. So let's explore together with me the Kashmir and the view of Kashmir along with the Lal Chowk. And we can see there is our Indian flag tricolor also unfurling there at the top of the Lal Chowk. So the view of this Lal Chowk is also so nice, and really I'm also enjoying here and feeling so good, and also proudly I am considered I am at the Lal Chowk right now in Kashmir. So this is the view of the Lal Chowk we can see. So let's explore together to you once again. And please stay with me and please like my video and subscribe my channel.
So the Lal Chowk, which is also called Red Square, is a city square in Srinagar in Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, and the name was given by its name by left-wing activists who were inspired by the Russian Revolution as they fought the princely estates Maharaja Hari Singh. So even we know very well that it is a heart of the Srinagar, which is and the city of Srinagar founded by the Samrat Ashoka, who was a grandson of Chandragupta Maurya and son of the Bindusar from the Mauryan kingdom. So even it has traditionally served as a place of political meetings, which Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, and the Sheikh Abdullah Jammu and Kashmir, as well as the prominent leaders having addressed people from it. So the clock tower at Lal Chowk was built in 1980, and the Lal Chowk stretches on both sides of residence roads between the Amira Kadal Bridge and Tyndall Biscore School. So Lal Chowk was the location where Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, unfurled the Indian national flag tricolor in 1948, shortly after the country gained independence from the British Empire. The city square are location where Sheikh Abdullah, the first elected Prime Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, expressed his allegations to Nehru and India in a Persian couplet saying that Man tu Sudan tu man Sudi, Tagas na goyed man degrama tu degri. I became you and you became me, so none can say we are separate. So in 1990, separatists had dared anyone to try and raise the flag of India at the Lal Chowk. The National Security Guards (NCG) took up the challenge and raised the national flag at the top of Lal Chowk. So the clock tower gained political significance in 1992 when then BJP president at the time Murli Manohar Joshi hosted the Indian flag on the top of the tower on Republic Day, and Joshi hosted the flag in company of Indian troops. So since then, Indian Border Security Force and Central Reserve Force undertook the hosting ceremony until 2009, when they announced that ritual was unnecessary because the tower had no political significance. So, following that, the official ceremony as were held at nearby Bakshi Stadium in Wazir Bagh, Srinagar on Republic Day and Independence Day. So in 1993, where there was a arson attached on the main commercial center of downtown Srinagar. The fire was alleged to have been started by a crowd incited by the separatist militants group. The police and civilian officials interviewed by Human Rights Watch and other international organizations alleged that the Border Security
Hello
Force
everyone,
BSF
so
set
good
the
evening
fire
everyone. So
to.
let's see the view of Srinagar in evening time in front of the Lal Chowk. So really it is looking so glory and amazing and so unique this time. In backside we can see our national tricolor flag is unfurling on the top of the Lal Chowk, and really it is looking so nice and so good this time. So amazing view this time. Look at the view of the city of Srinagar in at the Lal Chowk. So this is the view, and let's enjoy together with me during the night time. So please like my channel and subscribe my channel, and once again thank you so much. So जय हिंद जय भारत, वंदे मातरम.
BSF building by local residents. Over 125 civilians were killed in the incident in 1993. And in 2011, the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, Yuva wings of the Bharatiya Janata Party, announced its plan to start a march called Ekta Yatra from Kolkata to Srinagar. The purpose of the march to unite Indian on Kashmir issue and challenge pro-Pakistan separatists by the hosting the flag of India on 26 January 2011 atop on the low tower of Lal Chowk, while the majority of Bharatiya Janata Party Yuva Morcha members failed to reach to Kashmir Valley. Top BJP leaders, namely Sushma Swaraj and Arun Jaitley, continued to march until they stopped while attempting the enter Jammu and Kashmir via Punjab, crossing Ravi River in 2011 by bridge. So all BJP members arrested and kept in custody in Jammu until the end of Republic Day. And after that, Sushma Swaraj, upon her arrested by security forces, said that why we are being arrested? We are marching peacefully. Those who burn the national flag are being provided security, while those who holding national flag tricolor on their hand are being stopped. Arun Jaitley said, for the first time after independence, hosting national tricolor flag has become illegal in our country. So remember Syama Prasad Mukherjee after falling out with the Nehru, protesting against the Liaquat Nehru Pact. It was the sign between the two countries. Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru from India and the Liaquat Ali Khan, who was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan for minority rights in India. So in opposition to this, Mukherjee once said, एक देश में दो विधान, दो प्रधान and दो निशान नहीं चलेंगे. A single country cannot have two constitutions, two prime ministers and two national emblems. So at that time, Syama Prasad Mukherjee resigned from the Nehru cabinet and founded the Bharatiya Jana Sangh, which is known to be as the parent of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So in 2023, Rahul Gandhi unfurled a national tricolor at Lal Chowk during the end of Bharat Jodo Yatra in Srinagar. After that, Rahul Gandhi completed of Bharat Jodo Yatra and unfurled the national tricolor by Rahul Gandhi in Sher-e-Kashmir Stadium in Srinagar. So this is the all story of Kashmir, Srinagar and Lal Chowk. So even this is the place where in the jail of Srinagar also where Syama Prasad Mukherjee died by heart attack. That was said, but some sutra also told that he was died by some conspiracy into the jail like Syama Prasad Mukherjee and Lal Bahadur Shastri. So please like my video and subscribe my channel. So once again thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.